Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Joanne Estavillo. I'm 30 years of age. I'm recently living in Carohatan, Valenzuela City. I'm the second child among the four siblings of my parents.
Okay. What did you finish?
I finished high school graduate only, ma'am.
Okay. You are single?
Yes, ma'am. I'm still single, no children.
No children. Very single.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just in case we have employer for you now. Is it okay? Is it okay? No day off for a week or even for a month?
Yes, I said okay, ma'am, that I don't have day off because sometimes, if you have a day off, it's not so easy for me because, you can spend a lot of money.
Yes. Okay. Because they will pay you if you don't take your day off.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
I've been work for 4 years caregiver here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Then as a cashier in laundry services. Then I work also 2 years in Denmark as au pair, or in short as a domestic helper also.
So it's the same with
Yes.
the domestic
Yes,
helper. So what are your duties there in Denmark?
I'll do the plain cooking, then housekeeping, then I'll take care of the kids also, ma'am.
Okay, it's the same with the domestic helper.
Yes, ma'am.
So for how many years?
For 2 years only, ma'am. Even though we want to recontract the host family, but no need because that's the role only of the Danish government in Denmark.
Okay. Can you handle taking care of naughty children?
Yes, ma'am. I can handle it. I can communicate with it so that, it's easy for me to communicate naughty
children.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know some children's songs?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing simple English song
A,
right
B,
now?
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay. Are you familiar for the Chinese dishes?
I'm familiar, ma'am, and I'm also willing to learn the Chinese dishes, ma'am.
But you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I love cooking.
But Filipino dishes?
Yes, ma'am, and also Danish food.
Danish food. Danish food is the same with American food?
I think there's some similarity for the American food and Danish food, ma'am.
Danish food.
Yes.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn the Chinese language?
I'm willing to learn the Cantonese language, ma'am, because, for me it's easy to communicate if you know how to speak Cantonese because of some members of the family. Sometimes, they don't understand, speak some English words, ma'am.
Okay, that's very, very true.
Yes,
okay, especially the old member of their family.
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I'm willing to take care, ma'am, because sometimes, it's good also that you have an experience to a newborn baby. But sometimes, it's difficult also because some newborn baby is delicate. But I'm willing to take care of a newborn baby.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because due to high salary, and with this job I can help my families, I can support them, and I can save some money for myself and for my whole family.
Yes.
For the better future.
Yes. Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
I would like to say that if you choose me, I will try my best to work hard, and I will become more obedient, become patient in taking care also of the kids, and I think more industrious in my work.
Can you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
I'll try my best to finish my 2 years contract, ma'am.
Or even if they will hire you again?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to. Yes, ma'am.
To
recontract me or to renew my contract, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am, and thank